Hey y'all, here we are again. I would like to apologize for the lack of videos in the last few weeks. I have literally filmed 2, but they won't upload to my editing software, and I'm also just gotten so busy the last 3 weeks. Like, I have barely even had time to sleep. So I have not had time to edit a YouTube video, but today I do. So we're filming this one, and editing this one and getting it out because the old ones are just old news. We just have to scrap them. They're part of my past. So I leave for spring break on Saturday. I'm not going home, but I am going to Minnesota. Woo, woo. But my room is messy, so we're gonna deep clean, not just clean, deep clean because we have the time. We're gonna deep clean my room, get some stuff out of here, because I don't need it anymore at school, like winter clothes now that it's spring. So come deep clean my room with me. I've always wanted to film one of these videos for YouTube. Let's hope the motivation stays high. Let's do this. Okay, so number 1, I did all my laundry yesterday. This is an accumulation of clothes that I wore for 5 seconds for like one class, and I had to change for my next class because that's just be the life. But these are sheets and blankets and this that desperately need to be washed. So we're gonna do that now, but first we have to check if there's a washer open. So let's go. Okay, y'all, there are 4 that are open, so gotta get on it. Hello, let me marry. We have to get on it before other people do. So we're gonna grab that and go. It's like, we're just gonna wear her. She's like a heavy beast. I love this blanket though. It's like one of my favorite things ever. It gives me so much comfort. I honestly may need to wash this green machine on her own because she's big. And when you put too much in our little washers at my school, they stop working. So I don't want to be the cause of that.
Oh. Good evening, y'all. I'm leaving today. Aubrey's leaving, I don't know.
In 2 days.
I'll see you guys on the other side.
Oh my word, are you dying? Like,
Yeah. Going to spring break and getting my teeth removed.
this is my natural posture, and I just think I have to die now. Like, oh, no way, this is like, it's my nose.
There's a burger at my nan's store.
So why don't you give me fire? Okay, these are all my sweaters that are leaving. And I also have a lot of sweatshirts, so we're probably gonna divide and conquer those.
'Cause there are rules and there are strictures. It won't be long now, I guarantee.
Helena and I filmed a video a few weeks ago where I kind of talked about these things, but that video is not going to be uploaded. Just, it's been too long. Some of the videos won't upload to my like editing software. These are all my donation clothes. This is my big news, guys. I'm not living in these dorms next year. Which, one thing about my school, not all schools are like this, but a lot are, you have to live on campus for 2 years. That's how it is at my school. I'm moving out of here and I'm living in my sorority house next year, which is like a bittersweet thing. I'm gonna have my own room, so I'll have a lot more space. But I love my suite mates and my roommates so very much that it's just gonna be an adjustment. And also I plan to take goodbye. I plan to be taking a lot more classes on this campus. My school is in 2 campuses on this campus next year, so it's gonna be a little bit of a difficulty of like, I'm going to be sitting around downstairs a lot because I'm not going to have a room to go to in between classes, but I'm not complaining because I'm very, very excited to live in my sorority house. It's cheaper and it's just like going to be really awesome. So I'm very excited for that. So I went and switched one of my blanket loads over because it was done, but the other one said it had an additional 10 minutes. It's the heavy one, so I think it just needed a little bit more draining time. So I didn't set a timer, so we're going to go check on that actually. I'll just be done washing. I went to the laundry room and put my stuff in at the perfect time because now every single washer is filled. So thanks, guys. Basically, because I'm moving into my sorority house, I'm having this like little mental dilemma. It's not actually a dilemma, I'm just a drama queen. But I am like, right now, my aesthetic of my room is green and pink. And I don't know if I want to keep that or switch it. I'm really, really, really tempted to do blue and white just because those are my sorority's colors and like the rest of the house is that way. but also be so cute. But at the same time, I don't know where I'm living yet junior year. I don't know if I'm gonna move back to this campus and be an RA or move off campus. And if I move off campus, I'm gonna have a bigger bed. So I'll need to get new bedding anyways. So it's like, should I just stick it out with what I have right now for the next year? I don't know. I might just get new like under sheets and then keep her because she's really cute. I just don't think I'm vibing with the pink and green under sheets. And then my accent color is gonna be white. So because I like the white cart and this white shelf here, I'm also gonna get a white bookshelf for all those goodies. So it's kind of like I'm shopping for my freshman dorm again, because there's a lot of things that like my roommate and I share, or my suite mates we all share, that like I didn't buy. So somebody else like they're all keeping it, and I'm gonna have to take what I bought and hit the road. These are all my sweaters. White bag is going to my grandma's. Black bag is donation. Okay. I have to get a trash bag now. I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna do it off camera because my phone needs to charge. Still don't have a camera. Maybe I'll get it for my birthday. Who knows? Okay. I'm once again watching Modern Family. Love her. I'm actually always watching Modern Family. This is my closet. So let's talk about her. So this is my closet. It's very, 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 very chaotic, and it does not do the job. This shelf is utterly unusable because it's for storage. So my plan is we're gonna clear out this bottom part. All this crap is gonna go into the bin those sweaters were in. Remember me saying? And then this cart, which is normally under my bed, will go into there, maybe. But it's gonna clear up that top shelf. So in theory, we can put my shoes up there because I also have shoes on the floor there as well as on that guy. Too many shoes. And I just can't do anything with them. And then I have this like shelf thing that all this crap is on. So we're gonna try to move it to my desk. However, I kind of like when my desk isn't overwhelming. So we'll just see. It's gonna be a process. But I'm gonna do that again off camera because it's just gonna be a lot. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to chat while doing it. But while I'm clearing out stuff, we'll chat again. I have worked myself into a bit of a disaster. But it's all gonna work out, guys, because we're going through our things. And I'll show you the closet. So all my boots are up here now. All my laundry stuff is in the back. There's nothing on the floor currently. And then we have a lot going on. I'll show you in here. My hoodies that I kept and my work shirts and the sweaters I kept are all in this top drawer now. We moved all the little tank tops that were in there because I wasn't gonna wear them anymore into here. So these are all tank tops now. If it's anything, I lived in Arizona, so I have a lot of tank tops and I brought all of them for some reason. I actually could get more hangers. I'll show you. I'm probably not going to this year, but I could get more hangers and hang them all. But these are just all the hangers I have, and I hang my jeans. I'm just hesitant to get rid of tank tops because I'm going back to Arizona for the summer and it gets hot and you change a lot. So I'm gonna wait on that, but they definitely need to be gone through when I get back home. Also, I'm keeping my jackets just because I live in Missouri and it will likely snow again. It's just not going to be cold enough for long enough that I need to keep my sweaters. But the jacket is going to go up eventually. Actually, the winter jacket will probably go up now. But now, in my nightstand, this top drawer is all sorority shirts. And it is just exploding. So this is the bin I got for Big Little. And I keep just bags in there. So we're going to take everything out of that and put it back into the Big Little bin. And that's going to go into my closet because I don't wear them frequent enough to need them in that drawer. Guys, look how crazy this is.
When you and I come back to the country,
So I'm gonna go get dinner now with Marissa. So I'm gonna go pick her up. She is working 5:30. It's 4:30 right now, so we gotta scurry. But it's kind of looking overcast out, so I'm gonna put on a sweater, and then we're off. Okay, hi. We're gonna be organizing my desk. I know you guys can't see it, but we're gonna be chit-chatting while we do it about what college has looked like, and you know, like the transition from high school theater to college theater and all that good stuff, because If I am anything, I am a theater kid. When I came into this school year, I was a double major in marketing management, and then my second major was BA theater arts. And if you're not a theater kid, I'm not going to describe it all because it will take me a minute. When you go to school for theater, if you want to pursue it post-grad, you more than often are trying to get your BFA, which is Bachelor's of Fine Arts. And something I love about my school is that they offer the opportunity to re-audition. So you have to audition into the program. Got the opportunity to re-audition. I re-auditioned in January, and I got into the BFA acting program. So my majors are now marketing management and acting. But seriously, I am so tired. Like, not of theater at all, because she's my girl. I don't think I could be tired of theater ever. I made a little sweet treatment with all my sweet treats. So I love the acting major. It hasn't affected any of my classes this semester at all. It's going to next semester. I actually have only 15 credits this semester. Last semester I took 17. But next semester I am playing catch up because a lot of the prerequisite classes you need for your BFA that you are supposed to take freshman year, I obviously have not taken because I couldn't when I was a BA. So I'm gonna be playing catch up next semester, which is just a little bit scary because of my second major being a business major. So I'm taking 2 summer classes online to try to like knock those out and get ahead of the game. But I did my schedule planner yesterday and I have 23 hours, which I was supposed to be taking 21 this semester. I just like classes filled up before I could apply for them. So there was just nothing, I couldn't do anything about it. This is unrelated, but I have this Lush bubblegum lip scrub. I had one, this is a new one, but I had one for like 3 years and it was well past expired. I kept using it. So I finally got a new one, but this is like my kryptonite. I love her. I'm not like a lip gloss girly. Like I'm not constantly reapplying lip gloss, but lip scrub, I need to like bring her around more because she just stays in my desk. But I love my lip scrub. What's going on in my life? My life. So I was very fortunate. I got cast in a play last semester. Very fun, very awesome. I'm very thankful for it. If I don't get cast in any of the main stages next semester, I would love to do it again. But I'm very excited because audition season is coming up. After spring break, April 20th is the auditions for our fall shows, which is like, why are you auditioning so early? We like to stay on top of it here. So we will get the cast list in like early May, probably like right when we get out of school. I don't really know. And then when we come back, you start rehearsals if that's when your show is. Like if your show is the first one, you probably are going to start rehearsals right away, which is so exciting. I'm really excited for our shows this semester to see them, the whole shebang. We are doing Noises Off, She Kills Monsters in Oklahoma in the fall. So lots of good things to look forward to. I've been, I think, doing a fairly good job at like balancing my workload. This semester is kind of kicking me in the booty. I have very much been contemplating a lot recently what my second major is gonna continue looking like for the rest of college. Marketing management is just very demanding. I pretty much always have to be doing work, and I haven't even started my marketing classes yet. This is just like prereqs, and the prereqs are kicking my booty. So I'm like, should I just stick it out, or do I turn it into just a marketing major, or even a marketing minor, or a business as my second major? There's like a lot of different things I could do. I just really don't know what like the best course of action is right now, so it's something I'm thinking on. I have been having a really good college experience so far. If you get less content from me coming up, it's because I'm gonna be busy. I'm literally just a girl. Hi guys, I got really distracted. I'm at Kylie's and we're watching Love is Blind. I already watched this episode today.
We're not really watching.
But I'm watching it again. I'm gonna convince her to go to Taco Bell.
What? Goodbye.
I haven't told her yet. I'm gonna convince her to go. Come morning, y'all. Happy Friday. We're still working. Only have a little bit left. We just have to pick up some things and pack and vacuum the room, and then I have work. So I'm gonna try. It's about like 10:30 right now. I want to be done by 12 so I can go get lunch at UC and then go to work. Okay, y'all, we're gonna take a minor pause. We're actually gonna go get food now because I'm ravenous. We're gonna take these to my car. They're gonna live in there now because I have a CD player in my car. It's just all the Taylor's versions, like all the things she owns, minus Lover and Midnights. I have everything, and then Guts. I got this for Christmas. So we're gonna take that out to my car, and the clothes I'm taking to my grandma's now, so I don't have to worry about it later. And we're gonna go get a munch. Okay? I just drove all the way here just for the UC to be closed. So I went to Starbucks to get a sandwich. All their sandwiches are out. So I just got a pumpkin loaf. Because I could go to Subway, but I had Subway last night, so that was a really disappointing trip. I'm just gonna eat my little pumpkin loaf and then make a smoothie when I get back to my dorm. Because that'll tide me over for work, and then when I get off work, I'll get something. So that's that. I also just remembered I have an assignment due tonight, so we're gonna be doing that when I get off work at 7 and just grinding and then editing this video. Hey y'all, so I just did a full curl routine plus like curl training. And so we're looking kind of busted right now. But my room is done, so let's see it. So I moved my guitars in my closet because I just don't play it that much. All my little notes that were above my desk before over here. My desk, added this back to my desk. All this stuff is the same, that's the same, and all of this is the same. But under my bed looks a lot less scary. It was very cluttered before. And there's my stuff because I leave tomorrow morning. So yeah, I have a homework project to do. I literally look like a raccoon. This is, oh my word. I have a homework project to do, so I'm gonna go now, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot look at myself anymore, so smooches.